Bringing you down. quite see their faces right, but you can hear them singing. You can hear the love in the cold hard ground. You can hear the sound of the pickaxe digging. If you wanted to know, and they called it freedom.
I'm your Riddicy. Doesn't anybody hear me? They can hear, but they don't care. No one has a name down here. Mr. Hayes set you free to work yourself into the ground. Free to spend eternity in a factory, a warehouse where the business screams. You're punching in, punching in, punching in, and you can't punch out. Way down, Hades Town, way down, Hades Town, way down, Hades Town, way down under the ground. Why won't anybody look at me? They can look, but they don't see. Just see, it's easier that way. Your eyes will look like that someday. Down the river Oblivion, you kissed your little life goodbye. Hades laid his hands on ya and gave ya everlasting life. Everlasting overtime. I will love you. Her place on the assembly line replaces all the memories. Way down, Hades Town, way down, Hades Town, way down, Hades Town, way down under the ground. What do you mean I'll look like that? That's what it looks like to forget. Forget what? Who you are and everything that came before. I have to go. Go where? Go back. Oh, and where is that? So, what was your name again? You've already forgotten.
You see, it's like I said before, a lot can happen behind closed doors. Eurydice was a hungry young girl. She wasn't hungry anymore. What she was instead was dead. Dead to the world anyway. You see, she went behind those doors and signed her life away.
Saw that wheel up in the sky.
Who heard the big yellow plane?
A lot of souls have got to die to keep the rust from rolling. A lot of spirits got to break to make the other world go round. Way down,
Eurydice.
I called your name before.
I know.
You heard me.
No. Sir Hermes told me so. Whatever happened, I'm to blame.
No,
You called my name.
you came. But how'd you get here? On the train?
No, I walked. All the way.
How'd you get beyond the wall?
I sang a song so beautiful. The stones wept and they read me. And I can sing us home again.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you don't understand.
Young man! I don't think we've met before. You're not from around here, sir. I don't know who the hell you are, but I can tell you don't belong. These are working people, son. Law-abiding citizens. Go back to where you came from. You're on the wrong side of the fence.
Hey, I know this boy.
What are the others doing?
His name is Orpheus.
Stay out of
They're
this.
dating.
Orpheus was a poor boy.
You hear me, sir?
You might say he was naive.
You better run.
But this poor boy raised up his voice with his heart out on his sleeve.
No, Orpheus, you should go.
I'm not going back alone. I came to take her home.
Who the hell you think you are? Who the hell you think you're talking to? She couldn't go anywhere, even if she wanted to. You're not around here, son. If you were, then you would know that everything and everyone in Hazeltown I own. But I only buy what others choose to sell. Oh, you didn't know. She signed the deal herself. Now she
It isn't true.
belongs to me.
It isn't true what he said. Eurydice.
I did. I do.
As for you,